The notion of AI agents replacing humans in the workforce has been a topic of discussion for decades, but a recent study has shed new light on the alarming rate at which this phenomenon is unfolding. The study, conducted by a team of AI experts, revealed that 80% of jobs are at risk of being replaced by AI agents by 2025. This staggering figure has sent shockwaves throughout the tech community, leaving many to wonder what the future holds for the job market. But what exactly does this mean for the average worker? Will we witness a mass exodus of humans from the workforce? Or will AI agents take over traditional roles, freeing humans to focus on more creative and high-value tasks? The answer lies in understanding the intricacies of AI and its capabilities. From chatbots to automation, AI has come a long way in recent years, but its impact on the job market is only just beginning to be felt.
To truly grasp the extent of AI's impact on the job market, let's take a closer look at the various industries that are most susceptible to AI replacement. From customer service to bookkeeping, many traditional jobs are being automated at an unprecedented rate. But which industries are at the forefront of this revolution? And what skills will humans need to acquire in order to remain relevant in an AI-driven job market? One industry that is particularly vulnerable to AI replacement is customer service. With the rise of chatbots and virtual assistants, humans are being replaced in roles such as customer support and telemarketing. But this isn't just limited to low-skilled jobs. Even complex tasks such as data analysis and financial planning are being automated, leaving many to wonder what the future holds for professionals in these fields.
The debate surrounding AI replacement is raging, with some experts arguing that it's a necessary step in the evolution of the job market, while others claim that it will lead to widespread unemployment and social unrest. But what's the truth behind this contentious issue? Is AI replacement a symptom of a larger problem, or is it simply a natural progression of technological advancement? One thing is certain: AI replacement will have far-reaching consequences for the job market, and it's essential that we address this issue head-on. But how? By investing in education and retraining programs that focus on developing skills that are complementary to AI, or by implementing policies that protect workers from being replaced by machines. The answer lies in a delicate balance between innovation and compassion.
As AI continues to shape the job market, it's essential that we consider the long-term implications of this phenomenon. Will AI replacement lead to a utopian future where humans are free to focus on creative pursuits, or will it result in widespread poverty and social upheaval? The answer lies in our ability to adapt and evolve alongside technological advancements. One potential solution lies in the realm of education. By investing in programs that focus on developing skills that are complementary to AI, such as creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, we can equip workers with the tools they need to thrive in an AI-driven job market. But this is just one aspect of the solution. We must also consider the social and economic implications of AI replacement and develop policies that protect workers from being replaced by machines.
The future of the job market is uncertain, but one thing is clear: AI agents are here to stay. As we navigate this uncharted territory, it's essential that we prioritize education, retraining, and social welfare programs that protect workers from being replaced by machines. Join the conversation and share your thoughts on the impact of AI replacement on the job market. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis on the latest tech trends and innovations.